Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to take you through my first season of Autocross. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about motorsports, Autocross is an amazing way to challenge yourself in your car. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Autocross? It's a timed motorsport where drivers navigate a course marked by cones, usually set up in a large parking lot or an airstrip. Speeds rarely exceed highway limits, but trust me, it feels a lot faster when you're darting through tight turns and chicanes. The goal? Precision and speed. Each run is against the clock, and every cone you hit adds time to your score. It's all about driver skill rather than outright speed. My first event was both exciting and nerve-wracking. I remember pulling up to the grid surrounded by seasoned drivers with all their well-prepped cars, and there I was, with my BMW 240i with all-season tires. I thought I was there just to have fun, but I quickly learned that Autocross isn't just about showing up. It's a sport that rewards preparation and focus. Over the season, I learned a ton. Here are a few of my biggest lessons I took away. Number 1, tires are everything. I came into this thinking my car's setup was solid, but the truth is, tires can make or break your performance. Investing in sticky summer tires is definitely on my wish list for next season. Number 2, walk the course. Twice. Walking the course before driving is critical. One seasoned veteran told me, "You can't drive fast if you don't know where you're going." He wasn't wrong. Position yourself in the driver's position while walking. Visualize the turns, the braking zones, the slaloms. All of this helped me shave a few seconds off my time. Number 3, smooth as fast. Early on, I wasn't overly aggressive, yanking the wheel and way overdriving every corner. I spun my car every single event. I quickly realized smooth inputs and maintaining momentum are key to faster times. Number 4, community is everything. Autocross isn't just about competing, it's about connecting. Fellow drivers gave me tips, encouragement, and a sense of camaraderie that kept me coming back every week. My final event of the season was my proudest moment. I learned so much and it felt like everything clicked. No, I didn't win, but seeing my improvement from the first event to the last was incredibly rewarding. Looking back, Autocross has been an amazing journey for me. It's super accessible, fun, and the perfect way to push yourself as a driver. If you've ever thought about giving it a try, I can't recommend it enough. Whether you're driving a Miata, a Mustang, or even a daily driver, there's a place for you on the course. Thanks for joining me. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Autocross or if you're thinking about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.